This initial solution will show you how to fix Instagram stories not deleting problem. Solution number 1. Force restart your mobile. Sometimes there may be an issue with Instagram itself and there may be technical issues of software issues. So go ahead and force restart your mobile device and then try to delete your Instagram story. Solution number 2. Check with your internet connection. If Instagram story is not deleting, you need to make sure that you are connected to your internet Wi-Fi connection. Solution number 3. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. Turn on the airplane mode and after 60 seconds, turn off airplane mode, and now go ahead and connect it to your internet Wi-Fi connection and then go ahead and delete the Instagram story and it will be deleted successfully. And the next solution is turn on and connect to mobile cellular data. You need to turn off Wi-Fi and then connect it to your mobile cellular data, as sometimes there may be an issue with Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on its own and Wi-Fi keeps restarting, and you need to connect to mobile, and once connected to mobile data, then go ahead and delete Instagram story, and your issue of Instagram story not deleting or can't delete Instagram story on your iPhone or Android will be fixed. And the next solution is clear cache and clear all data of Instagram app. Sometimes due to too much stored cache and all data of Instagram app, you may experience this issue and you need to delete Instagram app cache from your mobile device and fix can't delete Instagram story issue. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Instagram application and then reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. So follow these steps to fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.